I'm Osniel Quintana, working with Sean Stange. This is the first part of the project, which is sensor reading. What we did here, we basically used the total robot sensor, the one that we used to test the sensors for the robot, and we just copied the part of the code that deals with the sensors. So as we can see here, when I click on front sensor, it gives a reading of 533. And then we read off the measuring tape, which is that's about 1 inch from what we need to be. We see when it goes to 2 inches, it goes down to 375, 3 inches, 277, and so on. And eventually, when we get to 10 inches, right over there, then the sensor starts reading 75. 9 inches should be a little bit higher, 80. So basically what we did random right now, we took multiple readings, and then we took the meaning of the readings, we mapped it in Excel. As we can see here, as expected from the short front sensor, once it hit 10 inches, the reading basically goes crazy. So before it was giving 75, now it's giving 98, which is in accordance with the reading of the sensors. And then what we did for the left one, we basically set it up sideways like this. Then we hit the same thing, hit on the left bottom multiple times with multiple measurements. The same thing with the right bottom, we put it here. We click on the right bottom here, and we also get different readings too. And then for the long front sensor, we use the back bottom as in the test, and we can see when we have any 1 inch, it gives a low reading. After we go to 2, it actually goes higher. Then 3 is when it actually starts reading the way it should, which is expected from the long sensor. And then finally, if we move all the way back to 31 inches, that's when the readings start going crazy. So we see how it was 58 and then it jumped to 81, now it's 78, 62, which is the maximum range of the long front sensor.